How's it going, everybody? Well, I'm working on the Jeep today and I wasn't going to make a video, but I want to bring attention to this. Now, the Jeep, to do the brakes, this is what holds on the brake caliper. Okay, screws in there, brake caliper rides on that. That's how you get it out. That is a 7/16. Now, I don't have a 7/16 Allen. Nobody around here has a 7/8 Allen. So, I'll show you what I'm gonna do here. I went and bought a 1/4-inch bolt that has a 7/16 head on it. Then I bought a socket, 1/4-inch socket. I'm gonna have to drill that out in there just a little bit to get the 1/4-inch nut down in there, or bolt down there, sorry. And then I'm gonna take my trusty dusty Lincoln welder and make me a 7/16 Allen. Now I can buy one offline and it's gonna be like a week and a half, 2 weeks to get one, but every place I went to like 5 different stores, 3 different part stores. Every place I went, the sets went 3/8 and then to half. Nobody, even in singles or whatever, nobody had 7/16 Allen wrenches. So here we go. Okay, so here is the finished product. Doesn't look pretty, but it doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to be welded in there good. We'll see if this works. But I still can't believe that nobody sells a 7/16 Allen in town. Alright guys, that's all I had for this. We'll see if it works. Later guys.